Today I have 5 design tips that work especially well in one-bedroom condos or apartments. If you live outside of the US, you might call these flats. If you end up liking this video, all I ask is that you hit the like button. On this channel, I provide you tips and tricks to help you upgrade your place and make sure that its best foot is forward. I also take you through luxury home tours myself, so if you like that type of stuff, feel free to subscribe. The first tip is that regardless of the flooring that you have in your place, a rug is a great way to add some real character, depth, and dimension to a room. My recommendation is to be bold with patterns and colors, something that really sets the tone for the room and is interesting. You might even use a faux animal hide as a rug. Personally, I have a large faux cowhide which sits under my coffee table and part of my couch. Rugs are one of the easiest things to switch out, so if you get tired of what you choose, you don't have to feel overly committed. Aside from the visual element that rugs add, it can also help you with the spatial element of your condo. Using rugs, you can divide spaces within an open concept condo and create designated areas which otherwise would not be there. For instance, the rug which sits under the coffee table between your chairs, couches, and your TV, if you have one, would designate your social area. And if you have a studio style apartment where there is no dividing wall between your bedroom and the rest of your apartment, a large rug underneath your bed would help define the bedroom area. The second tip, which works especially well in condos and apartments, are mirrors. The specialty of mirrors is that they reflect light and that they can open up the perceived size of a room. If there's a space within your bedroom or living room which you're not quite sure what to do with, maybe a corner or a large wall, try placing a full-length leaning mirror in that area. It can serve a dual purpose by opening up the room and being an eye-catching decorative piece. As a bonus, these full-length mirrors also make ceilings feel much higher. If you have smaller rooms in your place, like a bathroom or a dining room that also has a window in it, that's something that you can really work with. Hang a small mirror across from or adjacent to the window, and that will bring in twice as much natural light into what would otherwise be a more dim room. Getting back to the coffee table area, this piece can be the perfect stage to show off some of your personality and really be the centerpiece of your living room. You can go the traditional route and purchase a piece which is designed to be a coffee table, or if you're looking to go non-traditional, you can use items like tree stumps, vintage chests or trunks, crates, or wood slabs. If your coffee table were to be the cake, the table arrangement on top would be the icing. Using combinations of trays, plants, books, candles, ornaments, and relics, you can elevate the overall feel the coffee table provides to the room. Next is going to be adding a statement piece to your home. A statement piece is supposed to be something that's fun, dramatic, something unexpected that fits your personality, and it doesn't necessarily have to match exactly with the rest of the things that you have in your home. Of course, you're going to want to keep things in somewhat of a balance in terms of size and scale, but don't be afraid to use bold colors or shapes. Imagine you have a condo that has white walls, gray cabinets, light floors, everything is neutral and bright. But then your statement piece is a large, deep blue piece of artwork that hangs over your white couch. This purposeful clash can end up being, for lack of a better phrase, beautifully chaotic. If you have an idea for a statement piece, or you already went out, purchased one, and put it in your home, comment it down below and let others know what you did. Now we're going to talk about creating cohesion within your home. This is something that you achieve by creating common colors and patterns throughout your condo. This definitely doesn't need to be overwhelming, it doesn't need to be in your face, and it definitely doesn't need to be too matchy. This is something that's going to be rather subtle. As an example, maybe the accent pillow on your couch shares the same pattern as the shower curtain in your bathroom. Or maybe the wood grain of your coffee table is the same as the wood grain of the nightstand next to your bed. Let's say you choose a statement piece in your living room, which is a large yellow and black piece of artwork. Then maybe you could have a small black vase with a single yellow flower in it somewhere in your bedroom. Things like that. Have fun with it. You now have 5 more tips to pull together your place and make it that much more impressive. Again, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you're feeling fancy, feel free to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.